This is a fit for a 2021 and beyond Chevrolet Tahoe with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima SightLine JetStream base roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in black, 60 inches in length, the SightLine towers, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets which grip to the flush side rail. This is part number SC55. Here we have the bars at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments on this particular fit, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly.